Hello and welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a bracelet using a bronze axe, a battle axe, and some leather cord. This is a very easy tutorial. You will see that for this bracelet you will only need the metal axe, the bronze axe, and the leather cord, and of course a pair of scissors to cut the leather cord. Otherwise you do not need findings or further tools other than our pair of scissors. So let's begin making the bracelet. The first step is to attach our axe. So I will put the leather cord through my axe and I will create a knot right above the axe, like this. So I will put one of the shorter cord over the longer cord and create a loop. So I put this cord over the other cord like this. I create a loop. Let's repeat. So I take this cord, put it over the other cord like this. I make a loop here, this loop, and I bring the short cord underneath the other cord and take it out through my loop, like this way. This way, like this. So as you can see, right above my axe I have created this knot. And now let's put the bracelet on the wrist in order to measure how long the cord should be. So I have wrapped the bracelet once around my wrist and the second time like this, and at about this distance I will cut my leather cord. So I will cut the leather cord here. This bit of cord I will throw it away, and here I will create the loop. So I will wrap, let's see from a closer distance. I will wrap the cord around the axe like this, and again I will put the cord over first over the longer cord, then I bring it back under the long cord like this, and here I have created a loop. And now I will put the cord through the loop this way, like this, and I have created the second knot. And now let's see. So I can open and close the bracelet with the loop that I have created. So this way I remove the loop, and this way I close the bracelet. And let's see what the bracelet looks like on the wrist. So I will put again the bracelet around my wrist, like this. And now I will close the bracelet, so I'll put the axe through the loop, this way. And as you can see, my bracelet is ready. So I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching.